Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let me ask you a question. Look at it. This is google.com, okay? This is google.com. Can you search google.com and in your search bar, what if it was possible for you to make over $3,000 by using this Google trick that many newbies, beginners are not doing? What I want to do, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it manually. And at the end, I'm going to give you a software by the click of a button. It does it for you on autopilot here, okay? But I'm going to show you proof. Here's proof right here. These are payouts right here. See that $3,518 to a PayPal account? As you can see, these are payments right here. PayPal. These people pay every day based off this Google trick that many people, like millions, are not using because you just don't know it works. Now listen, the only reason why I know about this is because obviously I've been on the internet for a very long time, for 10 years, but I've seen people brand new who have never made a dime online use this trick, and they not only left their job, right? Now they're traveling the world, and now they have the life that they want because now they realize by watching this, they can make money. And remember, sub to the channel, show me some love here. That's Wesley Billion. You see me, I'm a little constipated right here, but hey, smash the like button. And if you see any value, smash the like. If you don't see any value, don't smash the like button. It's cool, okay? So I'm gonna be very upfront and straightforward with you, so pay attention. So the site you wanna go to is called Shrinkme.io. So look, you're gonna put a link here. This link is gonna get you paid. It says earn money. It is that simple. What many people, such as yourself, don't understand is it's very simple to make money online, but you complicate it. Don't complicate the process. Just make it very simple here. Okay, so you're going to put a link here. So you're going to open this page. It's called Shrinkme.io. Write that down, screenshot that. Don't forget it, okay? And then the next step, what you want to do is go to youtube.com. Easy, right? And what you want to do is type in weight loss. Okay. Weight loss here. And you're going to see different videos here, right? Now, what you want to do to be very smart, you want to make sure you click on this week. That's important because what you want to do is find latest videos that are pretty much rock and rolling it on YouTube right now. So we're going to scroll down here and we're going to find a video. And listen, we're not going to repost this video. We're not going to save the video. It's like it takes less than 2 to 3 minutes to do this, honestly. So we're going to scroll down here a little bit, and what we're going to do is going to go back to filters again, and we're going to click on view count, okay? Because we want a video with the most views. Now, the weight loss niche, listen, you can make a bunch of money online in the weight loss niche. I made over $30 million selling the ebook, right? And in the description below, I'll leave a software for you if you want to learn how I did that. And what I'm doing right here, I have a software that basically you just plug in the information and it spits out what you need. You see this got over 539,000 views in 5 days. I want to do this because it's still hot. So what I want to do is I want to click on that video, right? I see the beautiful thick lady. If you like thick ladies, smash the like button. I like them thickums. So you're going to copy that URL. You're going to go back to Shrinkme Earn. And when you go here, all you do is copy and paste the link here, okay? So let me do a refresh here real quickly here. Okay. And I need to register for an account here. Okay, so let me go ahead and register for the account. Go to register. Do this with me here. We'll call this Like Me Now. You can call yours Big Head. You want to put your email address here, okay? I'll put any email address right here as well. And then you want to type in your password, okay? Do this with me. As a matter of fact, you should pause this and do it with me so you don't make any mistakes. Most people, they never make money with these type of make money online videos here. It's because you don't pay attention. You move too fast. You kind of like fast forward, and I get it. Listen, you got to be patient with this stuff. You will make money as long as you listen and never give up, okay? So, Like Me Now exists. So let's say Like Me Now, love, because I love you, right? Do you love me? Maybe, I'm not sure, right? So let's come up with a user ID as well. Let's see if this works. Boom, bada bam, bada bing. I'm created. So look, I'm going to log in now. Okay. I'm not a robot. Sign in. And look at that. I'm already in. So this is how the dashboard works. It's how it looks here. Shrinkme Io. And listen, you want to click on manage links here. And now a lot of you ask me, well, Wesley, how do I withdraw the money? As you can see, I already made $1. Like, just by signing up, you get $1, right? That's crazy, right? I didn't even do anything. I'm laying in my bed right now. So go ahead and log in and get your $1 and go to withdraw here. If you want to withdraw the money, you just click there and you'll see your money here, and you can withdraw it once you hit $5. But our goal is to make 1,000. Smash the like button if you want to make more money, right? I don't want to make little money, and I don't want to take a lot of time, and I know you're willing to put in the work right now. If not, you wouldn't be watching this video right now to the very end. So you go to manage links, all links. See, it's very simple here. And then you're just going to type in your link here, okay? You're going to add your link, okay? Quick link here. Let's go to Mass Shrinker, okay? You see that? That's the YouTube link because that's a popular video. We already know we're going to get thousands of views automatically here because it's popular, right? You short, and that's your Shrinkme link. Now the question is, okay, Wesley, what do I do with this? Because I want to get paid. Very easy. Look, we got to go back to Google, and this is the Google trick here. I got two. This is number one. What you want to do is type in weight loss forums, and it's very easy. And listen, I'm going to show you a software that will do all this for you. Like, I'll leave it in the description below, and it's insane here. I'm going to tell you the story later about how it all worked out, but look, weight loss forum, okay? And all you want to do is just register for a free account, and you're going to post that link in these weight loss forums. Listen, most people don't make money online because they just not aligned with what they're trying to promote. If you're promoting a weight loss video of that beautiful black girl, well, guess what? You need to make sure that you're on a weight loss forum here, and you want to post the link here, and you want to go to many weight loss forums. Look, weight loss fitness forum, mini memes, 3 fat chicks, diabetes. Now, let me show you another trick that's going to blow your mind that no one's doing. Trust me, no one's doing this, and I'm going to show you something. Watch this. Let me show you something. Let me see if I can log out of here real quickly here. Okay, because if you look at the payout rates, right, I'm going to be very transparent. You get $1 for signing up. Minimum payout is $5, and they're paying in every currency possible here. But as you see here, per 1,000 views, you get $22, right? In Greenland, Ireland, Belgium, United States, so on. But here's a trick that many people are not doing. Now, let's say if we want $22, but let's say that you live in Africa or you live in America, right? And you want to get that traffic. Let me show you. You're going to smash the like button. You're going to like, Wesley, I love you because you're showing me this. This is how I make a ton of money, okay? You got to think outside the box. Type in weight loss forums, okay? Even weight loss. And what you want to do is go to, what's my word here? We want to go to tools. Here we go. And then we want to go to anytime. Well, where are we at? Well, my filter, where are we? Let me see here. Let's click here, okay? Tools. Here we go. Settings. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Google keeps changing everything, right? They keep moving it around. Smash the like button if you hate because Google keeps changing everything around. Go to advanced search here. And you can scroll down and you can go to the region, right? No one's doing this, right? So you can go straight to Greenland if you wanted to, or you can go to Scandinavian or whatever. So basically, you can pick the country. Greenland here, advanced search, and you can find weight loss forums just in Greenland and get paid more money. Trust me, no one is doing that at all. They're just stuck in their own country, but you can change the attributes of Google. So now when you start posting, then you start getting your big checks, as you can see right here, because you're doing something that no one is doing. Listen, this is not a saturated market. It is people out there that are focused, that are doing this. Now you have the opportunity. Now listen, how many of you want to do all this on autopilot? Okay, let me show you. I'm doing the same thing that Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos do. They're into software automation. If you look in my description below, okay, I'm going to show you it's a software. Everything I just showed you, everything that you just watched and heard with your ears, If you're looking to leave your job, if you're looking to understand that the internet may be an opportunity for you to make a ton of money, the software is below. Get it. I use it. I have a team that uses this all day long, and we're talking about $1,000 per day, sometimes $2,000 per day using the software that's in the description below. Hey, I love you folks. I'll see you on the next video. Remember, never give up, never quit, motivated, dedicated. Let's go.